Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of acid, bases and salt. So now we are going to see about another type of synthetic indicator, that is methyl orange. So first we saw phenolphthalein as an synthetic indicator. The second example is methyl orange. Now methyl orange, it is red in color and it will not change its red color in acidic medium, and it will turn into a yellow color if it is added to a basic medium. So let's study again indicators. They could be either, we are using different types of indicators. First one, which is a synthetic indicator, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a colorless, and when it is added to an acidic solution, it remains colorless, but when it is added to a basic solution, it turns into slight pink color. And methyl orange, which is a red in color, when it is added to acid, it will remain as red color itself, but when it is added to basic solution, it turns into yellow color. Indicators, we have learnt natural indicators. So if the question comes, what are natural indicators? So the indicators which are obtained naturally, they are called natural indicators. Example, we have learned turmeric and China rose. Synthetic indicators, they are made in laboratories. That's why they are called synthetic or man-made indicators. Example, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Next, we are going to learn how we can have these neutralization effect in day-to-day life. So usually indigestion is a term which is given when your body is not digesting what you have eaten. It could be for various of reasons. Either you have had too much of spicy food, or if you had too much of food, then there's a chance for indigestion. So our body, especially our stomach, they produce a kind of acid which is dilute hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid help in the digestion of food and make the food acidic in nature. So if this hydrochloric acid is produced in large quantity, it causes digestion problem as well as it causes the chest burning sensation. So it will be very painful. To relieve this pain, we take antacid such as the milk of magnesia, which contain magnesium hydroxide. So it is magnesium hydroxide. It is basic in nature, and because hydrochloric acid, it is acidic in nature, they will neutralize each other's effect and we will get relief from indigestion. The next thing what we see is our example we have seen here is about ant bite. So when an ant bites us, it releases a kind of acid into our skin, and that acid causes the burning sensation. So this acid is nothing but formic acid. Because it is an acid, it causes inflammation to our skin. So the effect of acid can be neutralized when we add some mild base like sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is a chemical name for baking soda, or calamine solution. The calamine solution contains zinc carbonate. So zinc carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, they are basic in nature and they will neutralize the effect of formic acid. So thus being a base, this basic baking soda solution or calamine solution, they neutralizes the acidic liquid which is injected by the ant and cancel its effect. Another example where we see neutralization is soil treatment. When our soil is either very acidic or basic, the plants will not grow well. Plants requires nutrients to grow well. So either if it is very acidic or basic, the flowering or the fruit formation will not occur properly. It could be because we are adding too much of fertilizers, more than the soil they need. Hence, it makes adding chemical fertilizer make the soil acidic. So if the soil is acidic or if it is basic, then it has to be treated vice versa to neutralize their effect. So let's see here. Example, if the soil is acidic, it has to be treated with base like quicklime. The chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide, CaO, or slaked lime. When you add slaked lime or quicklime, both are bases. They will react with the acidic nature of the soil and may neutralize their effect. But if your soil is basic, then you have to add organic matter or the humus, or what you say, the waste things, kitchen waste or the cow dung. When you add it, it will release acid and neutralize the effect of basic. So hence, that way we can make the soil neutral again. The last example which is given in your textbook is factory waste. The factory, we know it's a backbone for all the economy, but the factory produce large amount of waste because they manufacture many things like cloth, chemical, fertilizer industries are there. So these industries, they either release hot water or many chemicals as a result of their byproduct. Because of that, which will pollute the water or the air. Usually the water which is released or the byproduct which is released into the water, they are mostly acidic in nature, and when they are discharged into the water bodies, they will change the nature of the water bodies and kill the microorganisms of the water because their nature of the water has been turned into acidic. So before releasing these water into the water bodies, we have to treat the water. In the coming chapters, you will be learning about the water treatment plants are there. By treating it, we can make it again, neutralizing it and then releasing into the water bodies, which will protect our natural organisms which are there in the water. So these are the topic which are there in the acid, bases and alkali. So thank you all.